Treat yourself to a microwave peanut brittle that you can easily make in under 20 minutes. This delicious snack has a tasty flavor, beautiful color, and a crispy texture that you will definitely enjoy. In a large bowl, add the raw peanuts, light corn syrup, and granulated sugar. Stir to combine. Cover with plastic wrap, then microwave for 4 minutes on high. Then, remove the wrap, stir, and microwave for another 3 minutes. Add in the vanilla extract and unsalted butter, then stir to combine. Microwave for 2 minutes, then add in the baking soda and stir to combine. Spread on a greased cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. Let it cool, then break into pieces. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.